Good afternoon, Miss Burns class. I joined you today on Chemistry Network with Dr. Maxwell Strasenberg. I received a letter from one of your fellow classmates regarding information required for your chemistry class. It reads, "Hi, my name is Andrew Mills, and currently in my chemistry class we are studying the atomic structure, and I was wondering if you could help me to find out more about Erwin Schrödinger and Werner Heisenberg's theories." Thanks, Andrew. I will try to help you out. Heisenberg proved mathematically that uncertainty principle of all electrons and small particles, while Schrödinger incorporated the visual interpretation on the same uncertainty principle. The uncertainty principle is the principle of that you can never measure where an electron exactly is, because whenever you try to measure it correctly, it changes the position or location of that particle. So it's inaccurate. Now here's my experiment team.
Oh, didn't see you there. Good afternoon, Miss Burden's class. We're the experiment team, and we are here to demonstrate the uncertainty principle using this kiwi and this blender. This kiwi is going to represent our atom. We're going to cut it in half to show you where the electrons would be. Oh, wait. Don't use that. Use this. Oh, thank you. Now you can see where our electrons would be. They're the seeds that are inside this kiwi. We're going to put it in the blender to form our electron cloud. Now just put the lid on. Let's get the blender started. Now, as you see, this is our electron cloud. The uncertainty principle states that you can't really tell where the electrons are in the electron cloud. You can't find them out. Now you come here and decide for yourself. Can you tell where our electrons are? Thank you. Back to you, Dr. Strasenberg.
Thanks, guys. That was great. Now it's time for our Wow Science portion of the program. Wow Science! Recently, I got some of my researchers together and told them to find some interesting facts on this time period and the scientist. His name is Dr. Leichenstein, and he's going to come give you the information. Thank you. One interesting fact about this topic is that Heisenberg and Schrödinger hated each other. This is evidenced by Heisenberg's quote, which says, "What Schrödinger writes about the visualizability of his theory is crap." This is interesting because he and Schrödinger had the same theory, but he said what he wrote about the theory was crap, where it's just one and the same. Another interesting fact is that Heisenberg worked with Niels Bohr, which is another famous scientist, famous for his work in the field of atoms. Another interesting fact is that Schrödinger stayed in Germany during World War II because he wanted to help reestablish the culture of science and progress and things like that in Germany. And even though he stayed, Germany didn't want him to because he was a theoretical scientist, different things like that. And he eventually left and found higher positions in the United States. I think that's all the time we have today. So stay tuned for more networking from Chemistry Network with Dr. Maxwell Strasenberg, and see you tomorrow.
I went and stayed too long. I'm wondering if your love's still strong. Ooh, baby, here I am, signed, sealed, delivered, I'm yours.
Good morning, Miss Burton's class. I joined you today. Thanks, Andrew. I will try to help you out. Heisenberg proved mathematically the uncertainty principle of all electrons and small particles, while I think that's all the time we have today. So I'll see you next time on Chemistry Time with Dr. Damn it!